Here we've got Forrest outside. He's doing a little rain dance.
Let me see.
If you just step away from that tree, the rain is really coming down. I don't know if you can tell from the screen here.
Looks
like he dropped his little stick. But he certainly is enjoying himself out in the rain. He's getting ready for, oh my god, it is really coming down.
I'm gonna go up there and down.
Let's see if we can get a little noise here. There we go. We got the window opening up now. You can hear the rain, I'm sure. Forrest is truly enjoying himself. Well, now it looks like Aaron is going out there too. Here comes Aaron. We're going to attempt to go outside here and see if we can capture them. It is Monday evening, May 7th, I believe. Be able to catch him here without getting wet. You can get an idea of it. Looks like Aaron's maybe had enough. Aaron was just out for a moment. It looks like he's had enough.
It's too cold out there.
Too cold out there, huh? I'll turn for Forrest, however. Here he comes. He's coming in, it looks like. Yes, Aaron. What? Aaron, I can't hear you. I've got your long sleeve pajamas out. Just get your pajamas on. Oh no, you're not going to go outside again. If you're just going to get cold right away because it's raining so hard. It doesn't matter if you have a long sleeve out if it's raining so hard.